My name is Sean Culbert. I'm the Director of Strategic Alliances here at Longview, and my main partnerships that I manage are Microsoft and Citrix as part of the portfolio. Longview is a privately held organization. We're about 1,300 people and growing, and our focus is the Longview partnership with our customers. So we really excel where we're able to partner with a customer who sees technology as a way to enable their organization and drive change, whether it be, get a competitive advantage or, help their employees transition to more of a digital experience. And so, partnering with organizations like Microsoft and Cisco allow us to really offer a broad set of solutions. And when it comes to specifically helping the digital employee and moving to a hybrid work, we really see the strong partnership, especially with Citrix and Microsoft, and how it enables, any work from any place, any time, anywhere, but do it securely and really have a great experience as an employee. So, as a partner that has a broad set of skills, we really can help a customer through the entire journey, from discovering the issue or helping them architect, as well as help them transition to that new technology, and then provide them the best in class in terms of the acquisition strategies to make sure it's right size for their organization and optimized so they're not wasting any investment. And then we have the ability to help them through the organizational change management it takes, as well as we could even take some parts of that journey off and manage it if they don't have the skills in-house or the want to focus on managing that. So we really offer a broad set of skills and solutions for our customers that we really feel makes us, that partner to really help them along that journey. A couple of organizations stand out, and one of them is is a heavy equipment rental retailer that has organizations spread throughout the globe. And so they were looking for a way to grant access to their workers who, kind of on the lines or working with the machines through to SAP. And they needed to do it in a cost-effective, more secure manner. And so we were able to help them transition their global sales force or their global workforce to access SAP through the Citrix, which helped them reduce the, initial design cost that was going to, be significant through SAP. And so it made it so it was also lighter weight and easier to manage as the organization started to roll it out across their organization. In other case, we have an organization that they are in the restaurant business, and so we help manage their infrastructure to allow their restaurants, up to 35,000 people globally, accessing their back of the house ordering system to ensure that they've got the right supplies. And so, the offering that we created out of that is something that we're replicating and taking to market to help other organizations. As both companies are moving their bulk of the portfolio to a cloud-based delivery, it's really pushed us and put us in position where, we think of cloud first as, an imperative for the solutions that we create. And as so, it helps with our transaction business from both sides of the fence. Both Microsoft and Citrix are rewarding partners more as they embrace that cloud journey. And so it's really pushed us, which is, I think, in a really positive direction to accelerate those plans. We now have a offering, which is a repeatable deployment offering that gets us into not only just the transaction side of the business, but it gets us into a services base, which is where a more profitable side of those opportunities start. As well, we've created a managed offering for customers that don't want or don't have the skill to operate those services, and so that really aligns to what we're looking to build internally, which is where we can benefit from a transaction. The great news is we benefit from a transaction from two great partners, as well as giving us an opportunity to drive our services and then attach our managed services. So if I think of also things that benefit from a Microsoft perspective and where they're trying to drive, which is driving customers to Azure and helping them consume and get value out of the tools. Citrix, outside of SAP, Citrix is one of those tool sets that drives a significant amount of consumption as a customer scales up. And so that's a net positive for both organizations, both Microsoft, Citrix, and then I would throw in Longview as the partner, helping to drive that change at a customer. So it's been a huge benefit, having participated in the partner council for Citrix on Azure. We were able to get some support from Microsoft to deliver 2 webinars this year, which were able to identify, I think, 3 or 4 major opportunities which are ongoing today. And the support we've received from both organizations, from marketing, from an event, have been fantastic. And we look forward to continuing to develop and really work as a joint group. This is an important investment from our organization, and it's, I think, something that's going to help us with the hybrid workers, helping, the acceleration of the digital transformation that needs to happen in many organizations. And I think we're at the cusp of, a broader adoption of that style of delivery in the technology departments. And I think we're positioned really well because of the partnership and the support we get from both organizations to really, take a leadership in this. And so we're very excited about what 2023 looks like. And we will continue to focus on this 3-legged partnership.